Hi everyone present over here. My name is Usha Tamar from class 9th and today I am here to tell you about a topic which is mostly important. The topic which is trying to captivate our attention since past few years and again. And today I am standing over you with an opportunity to shed off on this topic and grab your attention towards it. Today's topic is millets for sustainable health and future. So let me start my speech by answering a minute question. Actually, what are millets? So according to the scientific terminology, millets are the small seeded grass or plant which belongs to the botanical theory. These are the oldest cultivated crop grown over the world. Millets are mostly grown in the parts of Asia and Africa, and there are 10 types of millets. If we talk about the production of millets, then I am naming you the top 5 countries which are involved in the production of millets. These are India, Nigeria, China, Mali and Sudan. And as an Indian, I am very glad to tell you that my nation, my country, India, is the world's largest producer of millets, accounting for about 42% of the total millet production. Isn't it very glad? So now, we have discussed what are millets, production of millets, types of millets, but actually, why are millets necessary for us? So, what are the benefits of millets? So, there is a not ending list. I am telling you some general benefits of millets. These are the millets are fiber champions. They help managing our weight. They help lower the cholesterol level. They are the digestive ease and what not. Scientific studies and scientific theories have continuously shown and proven that incorporating and involving millets in our daily life can help the risk of various death causing diseases. Let me explain how. Millets are the rich source of dietary fibers. They include two types of fibers, insoluble fiber and soluble fiber. The insoluble fiber present in the millets provide good bacteria in your gut and thus reducing the risk of colon cancer. Secondly, the soluble fiber present in the millets helps to lower the cholesterol level in the body and thus preventing it from any heart failure or any cardiovascular diseases. Thirdly, millets are the fiber champions. They help promoting the digestion in our body. Now, here are some least benefits of the millets, but there is a not ending list. So now we have discussed what are millets, production of millets, types of millets, benefits of millets, but actually how do these millets make our planet Earth, our Mother Earth sustainable? I may answer your question. So yes, millets are drought resistant. It means they require less water to grow and thus they are suitable for the dry and arid regions like Rajasthan. And secondly, millets require low input needs. It means it requires less fertilizer to grow and thus making our planet Earth, our Mother Earth, eco-friendly. Thirdly, millets promotes the biodiversity of flora. And fourthly, the most important one, that the crop of millet can withstand any extreme conditions. So isn't it very amazing? In conclusion, I just want to say that millets offers a remarkable opportunity for both our personal health as well as environmental sustainability. And we must promote the production and consumption of millets in order to remain our body and our planet Earth fit and healthy. At last, a simple thank you from bottom of my heart. Thank you.